growing up without, you know, like a father presence, you know, it affect you in your childhood life, and it also affect you in your adult life.
Yeah.
So from I want to hear from your perspective, like, oh, what was that like for you as a youth without
A
a
father.
father? Mm-hmm.
It was rough and it's hard. I always ask my mother, where's my father? And she say, "I'm gone to England." And during my childhood years, I never remember seeing my father. Never. The man that I see for my father was my stepfather.
Mm-hmm.
And he was a very good stepfather. Sometimes the stepfather them better than the real father, you know. Cause that man treat we like his own children. If he buy anything for his biological children, he
Mm.
buy it for me and my sister. Always treat us good.
Okay. So this was like what age when you start to ask mama or start to ask your mother about your father? Like what age you start to do that?
Like when we get big and realize daddy was not my real biological
Your
father.
stepfather, when you realize, okay,
Yes.
when you get older and
Yes,
realize stepfather.
when we realize that my stepfather was my sister father,
Mm, okay.
I start to ask her what happened, and then she tell me that my father live in England. I don't remember if he no he go England with me when I was a baby.
Yeah.
A baby.
That a way your mother tell you.
Yes.
Mm,
Both of us was a baby. When so my sister was a baby and me was a baby.
okay. So did it affect you? Did it affect you growing up? Say your real father wasn't around.
Yes, because I would like to see my father, my sister, my brother, they have them father. But for me, no father. It was only just my mother
And your
and
stepfather.
and my stepfather. All the years coming on, all the years I've never seen a father. And I tell you, I've always missed my father. Regardless, I said my stepfather used to be so nice to us, but I always miss my father. I would wish the day would have come when somebody would have said, "You see your father there."
Like
I
your
would,
real father,
my
say.
real father.
Yeah.
Me just imagine how mother did react with him, and so I would be so happy that I don't
Yeah.
even. I wouldn't even remember say him. I never see him from in my youthful days.
Yeah. So you never see him face physically from your band. Like as a youth growing up, you never see
Never.
him.
I
Never.
never
So
see
you
him.
don't know how him look.
Yes,
You have
not
picture?
not a youth, but we know him as we meet at when I was 35.
No, but when you're a youth, when you was a youth growing up with my grandma, with your mother, you don't know him face look.
No, never see a picture and nothing at all for him.
So you never have that may I say
Yeah,
like growing up you couldn't even picture him
no, couldn't
because you
picture
don't know
him
him
what he
face.
was or
You
nothing
don't
at
know him
all.
face
Never,
look.
no.
And that make you sad.
Yeah,
Wow.
because it always people telling me about my father, I never, nothing,
Wow.
nothing, nothing, nothing.
That rough still cause even though like me growing up and say my father him the boat but him not play really no
Not
big
the
man father
for
role,
role.
but at least me
Me
know him look,
know.
me know him stay every now and then me see him, but even though so for you now knowing say your father alive but you never know how him look, that rough, that most rough, man.
Yeah. And then couple years after, since me come big young, since me come young lady
Yeah.
in like 18, 19, my auntie tell me about him, and my auntie gave me the address where he is in England, and I write to him and he answer me, but he never send a picture
Oh.
for me to see.
So what you write to him and say what?
Yes,
Say you miss him? Say you
yeah,
don't want to see him?
yes, me write to him, and but from that man leave Jamaica, he never come back.
Wow.
Never come back to Jamaica. But he used to correspond with me after I get the address. He correspond, he
Oh, so,
send money.
so when you become what, you're at 18-year-old?
19.
19?
Yeah.
Or when you turn big?
Big
When
man,
you
yeah.
find out when
Yeah.
him there and you write him,
Yeah.
you used to correspond through
Yes,
letter back and
yes,
forth.
through letter back
Okay,
and front,
okay.
and him always send give me good encouragement, you know.
Okay,
As a
okay.
father and daughter, he always give me good encouragement, but I don't know who is the person.
Oh. So you get a letter from the person, say your father, but you
Yes,
don't know if
right.
I him, but you just know say he are the person that would them put you on to say your
Yes,
old man.
says my father. Yes.
Okay.
But it was very sad, I tell you, because I would really love to have a father-daughter relationship with him. And not to write letter, but in the flesh.
Flesh, yeah.
It would be so nice if you had your father to run, go this or goddess or goddess. So
Yeah.
you didn't have that. That was sad. That was a piece of thing that missing from my life.
Yeah.
Because my mother was a good mother. She was a mother and father. She was a mother and father to us.
But you're the one who
But
knows
me
say,
the
boy, I'm a
one
real
know
father
say me
this.
have my father. Me the one who know say me have my father. And he never one time say why he don't come back.
Never explain that to you.
No.
So as what you say, you highlighted to that earlier. You say what age you say when you meet him for the first time? So back and forth with the letter them. Then what age, when you actually see him and see him face and know say your father that?
35.
When you're 35-year-old. So from when you turn 18, 19 and I correspond with him and then something there. What, 10, 15 years down the line before you actually meet him again, before you see him in the flesh.
See him in the flesh.
How that happen?
Because him send a ticket for me.
Then time there when you could have got England without visa and something just.
Yeah,
okay.
me have to get visa.
You have to get visa?
Yeah.
Let me think one time when you could have got England just from invitation letter and something.
But me still have to get the visa. Me still have to go to the...
Me mean you need have how complicated it is now. You need have to go through that then time.
No,
you just get the letter and you carry the letter go. Okay.
Me carry the letter go to the US,
to the embassy. And then get the visa.
And me get the visa.
Okay.
Yes.
Me get it now.
He said an invitation letter and me get the visa.
Okay.
And because even when I reach England and I have to go out to go meet him, the immigration lady have to carry me and put me right in the hand. Because
so him come meet you at the airport when you come?
Yeah.
So what was that like when you see him for the first time?
Well, it was glad. It was joy. It was everything. It was like my glad bag burst when she carried me out and say, because him tell them say him don't know me.
So you don't know who I look for?
No.
So you never send him the picture all the time when you send him?
Send him picture, yes. Always when I write him, I just send him picture.
And him never send no picture how him look.
But him never send no picture. No picture of how him look.
So how him react when he see you?
Him was glad.
Glad.
And he was glad. He was glad like he know me for a long time. We have a really good.
So that was a nice reunion.
It was a nice reunion. Because the man carried me right outside and put me to, because I telling you, even when I reach England and it's the first time I've going on a plane. So him sent a letter for me to saying he giving me a 3-month stay. So Me never ask anybody about how you travel and how they going to ask you or whatsoever and all them something. When me go up to the immigration asks me, how long you going to stay? Yeah, me 3 months. The immigration man say, go sit down over there, sir. Jesus Christ. Give me a white paper and tell me go sit down over there, sir. And me sit down here so till them come back and then carry me downstairs and them search me and everything. Me were clean and everything. And then the immigration man go out. He go out, go look for my father to make my father know that me ain't coming through.
It's in England, right? England.
Yes.
Yeah.
So my father tell him, say, oh, he have a heart condition and it's the first time.
So hold on, I may understand. So the immigration then say you not come through.
No, because me tell him say me want to pay 3 months.
Oh.
But I me never know, say me did say 3 weeks.
Okay, I get it
You
now.
see, guys, the first time that
Yeah.
going
So
travel.
them must say wait.
Oh,
come
and because
we
come with a job letter for say 3 weeks.
Oh, the job. Oh, so you mess up this one and say 3 months as opposed to the 3 weeks.
Right.
So that's why them say. So them go outside, go tell him say you
Yes,
not come through.
yeah. The immigration man go outside and look, find him and tell him say me ain't coming through. So him talk to the immigration man and tell the immigration man in condition and everything. And the man come back when that time they move me from the bench now and put me in a one little room. For go back on the plane when it going back to Jamaica. And he come back and he said to me, say, you are so lucky because your father have the same complaint as my father.
Wow. So it just happen to say him and your father, him father have the same sickness.
Yes, as your my father. So him going to
sorry for you.
Let me through.
Wow.
And that man carry me and put me right in my father's hand. Because my father tell him that he don't know me. So the man see and he put me right in my father, and it was such a nice reunion.
Yeah.
I'm telling you. And if when I'm telling you, even the next morning when I wake up, but I didn't even sleep the night. Me and him talk the whole night.
And go over life stories and stuff.
And him tell me say, and when we talk, and he said to me, say, Lana, I'm gonna tell you the truth. When I see the picture of you, I didn't know if it was you. Because that long hair, that long, beautiful girl with that long ear, he don't know what you have to say. And
because the last time in see you physically was when you were a baby.
Yeah.
So for all them years, that big gap there.
Big gap. But and you being there with him for the 9 days, the next day him take me to the market. And me and him go to the market, and I tell her, so when I was in the market, he tells some people, he said to his friend them, oh, this is my new girlfriend. They said, no, not this one. Not this one is your child.
They look like him?
So they said, this one is your child, not this one. And he said, oh my God, he said, he felt so good when the people them tell him. And me and him have such every day we go out. And the night where I was here for 8 days. The 8 days. When we were there 8 days, me and him downstairs, I would sit down and me start to express my feelings to him.
Like what kind of feelings? Good feeling, bad? You're vexed
bad
with him if he left you?
Yeah. Me never tell him that me vexed, but me say it hurt for you to leave me from me as a baby until now. And me ask him why, but he still couldn't give me why. Give me an answer.
A good explanation.
Why he never come back. And I said to him, and I was telling his wife never liked me. The wife she never accept me any at all. Never accept
Which
me.
is a common
She
thing.
always fight with me every day for the 8 days.
Within the 8 days where you
She
did it.
every day.
So she
Sometimes
didn't want you did it.
no, she never want me there. And when she realized that my father gave me a key for the house, Jesus, that make it worse.
Problem.
And the 8 days, me and him sit down, and he said, I tell him,
But this is day number 8 when you
number
tell him
8
and
day.
stuff. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
You tell him how you feel.
Yes. And him, I don't remember everything exactly what he asked me or what I said to him, but I know I said to him, say, give me what you have to give me now. Because I know he's well sick, you know. And I say, if anything happen and you should have passed away, your wife not going to give me nothing. And him said to me, tomorrow morning would be the 9th day. That means dear. And he said, tomorrow morning, like you would say, tomorrow morning I'm going by Miami to bring a friend somewhere. Get ready, and I come back. We're going into town to the bank. When I wake up in the morning, I don't see him because Jamaica time different from England time. So when me sleep and wake up, it's 12 o'clock in the day over there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So when I wake up, I don't see him. And he asks me to press out some clothes. And I get up and I press. I'm waiting for him. I can't see him come back. So I say, well, all him telling me, so we're going and come back, and I am till now we don't see him. So me put on my clothes now, and me go town. And me go in town, and me go buy things, something that me want. Coming back, come off of the bus now. I like me have to come off of the bus out there and walk, come in on the road, house over there. So I see the car just come out of the yard. Man, if you see how me happy, I'm glad. Mister, but look, Uncle Sanford just driving out and me just coming in. And the car drive out of the yard and turn up the road. So me never get to see him. But me know me see the car come out and me coming in. Anyway, me said maybe he must be coming and, see me. So him gone somewhere else to come back. Sit down there, comfortable watching TV. I hear the door knock. And me get up and me alone there. When me get up and peep through the hole, me see about 3 police. But me open the door. When me open the door, the police say, Beverly? I say, yes. And he said, can I come in? I said, yes. And the police come in and sit down in the living room. And he say, we bring you the news. Still waiting for you the news. Police say, your father had passed away.
Wow. 9 days.
9 days. The policeman said your father had passed away. It was a rough, hard, bitter, and the man never returned. Father died by the lady house where he go to
So
carry.
are the same sickness where him they have that him pass away from?
Yeah.
The heart problem.
Heart problem.
So the same heart problem where him that tell the immigration man say that he have. So him they know say he never have much time left.
Maybe.
Oh.
Maybe because even sometime when him sit at the table to eat and the heart, I don't know when feel, but me see him take something out of his stomach and spray it in his mouth. You get a sit. So me wonder say if he never have.
He never have much time. Probably that's why he make you come because in the one to see you before him pass off, you know?
Yeah.
you know.
But it was rough. It was hard, and his wife make it more hard for me in
Wow.
the time of grief. She
Yeah.
brought me out of the house.
So well, you know, did if you know, him you come there for and him
And
gone
he
now, so
gone.
you so she
After the
done with you.
funeral,
She done
and
with
you
you.
know, in them place, them not funeral don't stay long.
Yeah,
Couple
yeah.
days after him dead was the funeral. And after the funeral, I will come home. She said, "You have to leave."
Wow.
It's a good thing I have my sister. You had 3 sisters and 1 brother.
That are from your father's side,
Yes.
where they live in England. Oh, okay. And at first you see them
And I
too.
first
You get to
see
know them and
them.
something. So you have a whole family over England where you don't know about.
But we don't know about. I may tell you,
But
say,
that rough.
rough.
That rough nothing was said when you're 35, you only get 9
9
days
days
with your father.
8
Basically
days.
8 days, yeah, because
8
you never
days.
see him on the 9th day
No, I never see him on the 9 days. 8 days.
with your father. And then he gone.
8 days and he was gone. I didn't even get $1 from him. I didn't even get $1 from him going up there. Because that was the day when him say, if
Him a go give a little change.
if he was going to give me
A little change
Yeah.
from all of them donkey years
Yeah.
away, you know. Him a go give a little something before he go off and that never happened.
that never happened.
That rough though,
If
that
he-
rough. That rough, man. 8 days you get to the father. 8 days you get with your feet. Like physically spend time with him and so.
Yeah,
And
because
look how you yearn for him and
yeah,
something
because
all
him for the
years.
8 days, you know, he not gonna nowhere leave me. Me and him up and down on the road. Anywhere he go, me and him. It's only that one morning he come out leave me.
And I morning when pass
And at the
off.
morning when pass off.
But at least you get to see him though. You know that must kinda even though in pass off, but at least you did get to spend a good time
Me
with
glad.
him.
I was happy. I was happy that me know my father.
You feel
I was happy.
Hey, that you know say you have youths where them no know how them father look.
No.
And that affect people wicked. You know? Because you want to know how that person they look. You want to know if at them you look like. You want to even if I just one time just to get that closure there, if you say, all right, at least me know who is my father.
Me I tell you say, the little 8 days when me see him, me love him.
You appreciate him as a father just from the 8 days.
The 8 days that me meet him, me just love him as if him did in my life for a long time.
Yeah. You and you just imagine say, John, if me did I get this like growing up, you know, you that nice.
Exactly.
You that nice.
Because you know, knowing to say when he used to write me, you wouldn't believe me say a 2 person know each other, you know.
Oh, all right. Like because you yearn for that, you know? And it does feel like say him glad say him reconnect with you and him thing there, but just never come back.
one thing me remember good of my father. Every letter that he write, he would have said when he's going to close the letter, he would have said, don't forget, no matter how life take you, don't forget to keep your head above the water. That was what he would have closed the letter with. No matter how weird life take you, always hold your head above the water. Never forget to.
So that's something where him always right. You keep that.
Yes.
Never
forget that. Never forget that. He wouldn't close a letter without that.
Okay.
Always remember, keep your head above the water.
Why may I tell you, me wish me did get to know him and thing still, but you know.
I wish he had no grandchildren them and
yeah, but I never saw life go, you know, him part where him take it divert him from one set of family, because him have a whole lot of family in England already.
Yeah.
So we were there at Jamaica,
Just leave the two
it just,
away. And they have 7 children up there.
But enough people go through then something where people just go and them create another family, and the one them we left back at Jamaica just get
Just leave.
left back, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But as we say, at least they get to see him and thing, and you get a little closure in your life.
Yes.
Say, boy, you enough to know how your father look, and you spend some time with him. But that is good. That is good. So
I must ask my sister if she still have a picture with him.
Yes, cause I saw one picture with it in some farmer uniform suit or something. Yeah, I saw one picture like that.
When he drive the bus.
Yeah,
he was a bus driver.
England. Yeah,
Yes.
I see the picture, the uniform with it. Yes,
Yeah,
one picture
remember
like
one
that.
time she sent one like that.
Yes, I saw one picture like that. But I say here again, people, we there again, once again, another story from the old lady. But life growing up without our old man, and being able to see our old man, I only get 8 days with him out our entire life. So a whole heap of yard people go through the same thing there, and enough people don't ever get to see them father ever again. But you're one of the lucky one now, and at least you get 8 days.
At least you get 8 days.
So again. So bless up on yourself, people, and thanks again for watching and support the channel. And you want to tell the people them say, Anna? Eh?
Bless up yourself, and thanks for supporting the channel.
Alright, so until the next video, bless.